when physics teaches love stability. Some couples burn bright but crash fast. Others last decades. Physics knows why. Torque, the rotational effect of a couple, depends on both force and arm length. Too little torque and nothing moves. Too much and control is lost. A marriage with no torque stays stagnant. One with uncontrolled torque spins into chaos. God designed covenant love to move at a steady, spirit-led pace. Let all that you do be done in love. 1 Corinthians 16:14. It's not just about motion, it's about mission. Stillness isn't always weakness. Sometimes it's strength at rest. A couple can be in rotational equilibrium when forces balance perfectly, maintaining stability without losing potential to move when needed. Godly marriage isn't about constant activity, it's about readiness. Stable enough to endure storms, yet poised to pivot when God directs. The wise woman builds her house, but with her own hands the foolish one tears hers down. Proverbs 14:1. True stability is active trust, not passive comfort. Remove all difference and you remove all movement. If the perpendicular distance between the forces in a couple becomes zero, the turning effect vanishes completely. Marriage thrives when husband and wife keep their God-given uniqueness. Erase that uniqueness, and you lose the very force that propels the relationship forward. Each of you should look not only to your own interests, but also to the interests of others. Philippians 2:4. Difference isn't division, it's design. Opposites are dangerous in conflict, but unstoppable in unity. A couple in mechanics works because its forces are equal, opposite, and parallel. This alignment produces controlled rotation without instability. Husband and wife don't need identical perspectives. They need aligned purposes. That's what turns life's wheels without tearing them apart. Husbands, love your wives just as Christ loved the church. Ephesians 5:25. Love aligns what the world tries to separate. Every great movement begins with two forces saying yes to the same goal. In mechanics, a couple's purpose is not to cancel forces, but to redirect them into rotation toward an intended outcome. When a marriage agrees on God's mission, their individual strengths combine into forward movement without one overpowering the other. Unless the Lord builds the house, the builders labor in vain. Psalm 127:1. Shared mission turns marriage into ministry.